Bonjour mes amis, thanks for joining us again on SERVi Homestead. This is just going to be a quick garden update. So we started some seeds in the little greenhouse as you saw, and we've been scraping soil and sifting it from the compost pile, well the older compost pile. This one here, right there, is the newer one, and so it doesn't have anything usable in it yet. And we're getting dirt filled in the 4 square beds near the house. And the boys are each taking half a bed. Well, Sim already has his like 3x3 bed that he made last year. So Timothy and Stephen are going to take half of one of these that you see back here. And we'll get some stuff in the ground. I have some old chicken manure in here, so I'm chopping it up small. It isn't fresh. It's months old, so it's not going to be strong, and it won't burn the plants with, I guess, nitrogen is what the concern would be. So this bed here is actually kind of a Hugelkultur. I had just learned about that last year, and so I dug a little trench in here and put some rotten wood in it, and then built the bed over it. And I definitely noticed that we did not have to water this bed nearly as much as the others. Wasn't very scientific or anything, but I know that we didn't have to water this one as much, and the plants grew just fine. Now I'm going to put a thin layer of good soil from the compost pile. It smells good and rich and earthy. I try to count this off as if we were buying this soil from a local hardware store or something. So when it feels like I have the weight of like one of those 3/4 cubic foot bags, I'm like, yeah, that's like $3.50 right there for free. Yeah. Seeds are gonna love this.
Chickens with the giant rooster that we just got. I was trying to get that egg, and when I struggled to get it out, but when I got it out with the thing that I was using, the chicken started pecking, and they broke it.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know why they do that sometimes. I'm going to plant here later. So these will grow, and then like 2 weeks later I'll plant some more over here toward the middle. It's getting dark on me. Mosquitoes. It's funny how they can be so similar, but the mustard seeds are super tiny and the spinach seeds are 10 times bigger. Mosquitoes are tearing me up. Alright, I covered them up with some weed block cloth because it's supposed to rain a little bit tomorrow, and I don't want them to get uncovered from the rain beating them up. Alright, I had to come inside because the mosquitoes are just vicious. Yeah. So, really glad to have some tomato seeds in the greenhouse from a couple days ago. And Simeon started some cucumbers. Steven started some Swiss chard and something else. Maybe some sugar snap peas or something like that. And Timothy's going to start something in his half. Joanna's going to choose something in the 4th bed. Well, Simeon's bed makes a 5th bed. And I just put the mustard greens and the spinach in mine, so we'll have some quick greens coming up soon. So hey, if you like this kind of stuff, gardening, chickens, repairing things like lawnmowers and tractors, then please subscribe and keep watching. Thank you for joining us. Au revoir. Merci beaucoup.